When you begin a new page, you'll want to add some content to it. You can do that by going to the plus icon in the toolbar and opening the content panel. From here, you can get various kinds of content like modules, rows, templates, and we'll talk about each of these. To start with, let's drag a heading into our page. We drop it, and our settings panel opens up. We can add some text to it, like that. And we can go to the Style tab and turn this into an H1 tag. Hit save. And there we go. There's our H1. Next, we can go back to the content panel and grab a text editor, and we'll drop it right underneath. And I already have some text on my clipboard, so I'm just going to paste this in. There we go. So now we have some body text and a heading. If we want to add a photo, we can go back and get a photo module, drop it at the bottom, and then this will let us select a photo from our media library, like maybe this GIF. And there's our photo. Great. Once you have content in your page, you'll want to organize it using columns. There's two ways to accomplish this. The first way is you can drag a module next to another module, and you'll see a vertical bar. When you drop it, that module will be in a second column. You can resize columns using the drag handle on the edges to make it whatever size fits the content that you have. The other way that we can create multiple columns is by going to our content panel, going to the Rows tab, and here we have multiple column groups that you can drag into your page. So if we wanted 3 columns, we can drag that in. There's our 3 columns, and now I can fill these with content. Just like that. Another way that you can start your page is with a template. Templates are pre-built layouts that you can customize. If we go to the content panel and choose the templates tab, you can see that there are a lot of templates available for you to use. If we click one, you have the option to replace what's on your page already or append the new template to the bottom of your page. I'm going to replace. Say OK. And now you can see we have a full page that then we can go in and customize all of the text, the photos, the backgrounds, anything we want. But it gives us a way to start very quickly. As you hover over various modules, you'll notice they all show these actions in the top left. The first one allows us to move the module around the page. The second one allows us to open the module settings and edit it. The third icon is so that we can duplicate the module and reuse it. The fourth one is for the column settings. Now this applies not to the module itself, but to the column that this module is inside. So we can move the whole column, we can adjust its settings like adding a background color to it, we can duplicate the column itself, we can delete it. And finally, we have a delete icon if we want to remove this module from our layout. When you're satisfied with the way your page looks, click the Done button. This will give you the option to discard all of your changes, save what you have as a draft, or publish it so that everyone else can see it. There you go. Your page is done. To learn more about Page Builder, go to the Help menu. Here you can take a tour, view the knowledge base, or if you have questions, contact our awesome support team. Thanks.